Welcome again, friends, in our channel Learn Easy Swayam. We have already seen the storyboard of The Boy Who Broke the Bank, which I have made by utilizing website storyboard that. And now we are going to see the English workshop as we have finished with the chit chat session also. So kindly let's get started with English workshop. Before that, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, kindly like, share and comment to get the further update. Stay tuned with us. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक या पाठाचा पूर्ण स्टोरी बोर्ड म्हणजे अगदी कार्टून सिरीजमधली खूप चांगली पात्र जशी असतील तशी चित्रस्वरूपात एखादी कार्टून मूवी पाहावी तसा एक छोटासा इंग्रजी व्हिडिओ पाहिलेला आहे. लवकरच मी मराठी भाषांतरही अपलोड करणार आहे. कारण काय होतं, प्रत्येक वेळी मराठी भाषांतर मुलं लवकर बघतात, हिंदी ट्रान्सलेशन मुलं लवकर बघतात, पण मेन पर्पज जो असतो स्टोरीचा तो इंग्लिश स्टोरी ऐकणं तो राहून जातो. म्हणून मुद्दाम मी ते ठेवलं आहे. चिटचॅट सेशन पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर आता आपण वर्कशॉप पूर्ण करणार आहोत. वर्कशॉपचे मी 2 भाग केलेले आहेत बिकॉज पॅरेग्राफ रायटिंग इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 and 11 is the most important question from the very same workshop, and on that paragraph writing you may get the questions based on see the web and write paragraph based on it किंवा expand the theme. अशा पद्धतीचे जे महत्त्वाचे परिच्छेदवर अवलंबून असणारे प्रश्न आहेत ते प्रश्न मी दुसऱ्या व्हिडिओत पूर्ण करेन. आत्ता आपण द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँकचे पाठाखालचं वर्कशॉप जे की कंटेंटशी स्टोरीशी रिलेटेड आहे ते कंटिन्यू करणार आहोत. आता मध्ये मध्ये मी ब्रेक घेऊन भाषेंचं स्थानांतरण म्हणजे पुन्हा मराठीतून इंग्लिशमधनं मराठी असं येणार नाही. जिथे गरजेचं असेल तिथेच मी मराठी स्पष्टीकरण देईल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ आर इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. हू एम आय? आयडेंटिफाय the character from the extract. A. I am the washerman's son. Who am I? Sitaram. The answer is already given for an example. A. B. I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Seth Govindram. I am the sweeper. Who am I? Nathu. D. I am the friend of Srivastava. Who am I? Mrs. Bhushan. I am the hairdresser. Who am I? Deepchand. F. I have crooked leg. Who am I? Old beggar Ganpat. Now see our question number 2. We have to list out the customers list of Pimple Nagar Bank. First one is Deepchand. Second one is Deepchand's customer, elderly gentleman, and Ganpat the beggar. These are the customers. We supposed to write the customers of the Pimple Nagar Bank. We won't supposed to write the characters from the story. So just see the question properly, then write the answer. Match the following and write the complete meaningful sentences. It is very easy question. Half of the sentence is given and half of the sentence you have to find it from the paragraph and then match the pair according to the complete sentence. Sitaram was looking out for any job that might suit Nathu. B. According to Mrs. Bhushan, it was the hottest summer in the history of Pimple Nagar. 3. Govindram was holidaying in Kashmir. 4. The manager told the customer to go home and come back the next day. So it is completion of sentence, but they have given it in the format of match the sentence. 4th question, who said to whom? Who said to whom? Don't raise such dust, Sitaram said to Nathu. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Nathu said to himself. C. Where did you disappear? Mrs. Bhushan said to Mr. Bhushan. D. The bird has flown, an elderly gentleman said to Deepchand. Question number 5. Why was the manager of the bank is in dilemma? Write down 5 or 6 lines in your notebook. The manager of the Seth Govindram's bank was in a dilemma. He was unable to handle the situation and the violent mob. He was trying hard to contact Seth Govindram, but he couldn't as Seth was holidaying on houseboat in Kashmir. Question number 6. Cross out the odd man. Here you have to identify the part of speech in the particular series or in the particular example, and on the basis of part of speech you have to identify the different part of speech rather than remaining 3 or 4. Here first example is a sweeper, hooligan, beggar, declare, locker. If you observe, sweeper, hooligan, beggar, locker, these all are nouns, whereas declare, to announce is a verb, so it is odd. In second example, hurriedly, carelessly, salary, definitely, suddenly. Except salary, all are adverbs. Salary is a noun. In third one, imminent, latest, pavement, awful, shocking. Here, if you observe, latest news, awful situation, shocking news, imminent forefront, these all are adjectives, whereas pavement is the noun. So pavement is the odd man. In D, morning, scattering, rising, collecting, shouting. Though in every word ing is included, but morning is the noun, whereas remaining all are continuous verbs in the continuous state. So ing is there, but morning is noun. Question number 7. Find the describing word for the following from the text. Tour, shop, window, lake. These all are noun. You just have to find out the describing word for that noun. In simpler word, adjective you supposed to found customary tour, general shop, broken window, crooked lake. Even for shop, we have to find it properly, because general shop, in the particular word, after the incidents of Deepchand and the elderly gentleman's phone, there we found the word shop, but he went to the general merchant's shop. So general store, general shop you can write, or the merchant shop is also right answer for that. Complete the following table. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb. Again, we have to deal with the part of speech, and according to the table, they have given one example and you have to complete the remaining table. Payment is the noun, whereas to pay is verb. Payable is an adjective. Adverb is not there for the verb pay. Again, sudden is the situation, and that's why it is in the noun and the adjective. Even adverb is there, but no verb for the word sudden. Declare, declaration, declarable, no adverb. Cheer, cheer, cheerful, cheerfully. Cheer is the only word which we can use in the verb, noun, adjective and adverb format. Write in your own words a few sentences about each of the following. Here students, just see. Mrs. Srivastava was a lady who was in search of sweeper. She was the first who spread the news all over. You have to write it down properly. Then see the description of Nathu. Nathu was a sweeper boy. He was working in the Pimpalnagar bank. He is the main character of the story. He was annoyed with the bank as he didn't receive his salary. Angrily, still unknowingly, he conveyed the message of not getting salary to Sitaram. Despite the fact that he is the purpose behind the disastrous fall of the bank, still he was the last to think about how it could happen. Here students, you have to write at least 3 to 4 sentences about the Nathu Sitaram. See, Sitaram was washerman's son. He was a friend of Nathu. He wanted to help Nathu, so he told Mrs. Srivastava about Nathu's need. But his words about bank was taken differently by Mrs. Srivastava, and the rumor about the bank was spread all over. Seth Govindram was the owner of Pimpalnagar Bank. He was not present in Pimpalnagar when rumor was when rumor of bankruptcy was spread, he was holidaying on the houseboat in Kashmir. Various rumors were spread about him as he fled the state, he fled the country, he hanged himself, and so on. Now here, students, we are going to stop. In our next video, we are going to see how to write paragraph or how to expand the theme in the format of write-up. And here in the particular video, I am going to provide 3 to 4 different paragraphs which were important from the exam point of view. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पॅरेग्राफ कसा लिहिला जावा, शिवाय या पाठामधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 आणि बुक्स, ट्रीज, हॉबीज, स्टडीज असे नेहमी जे रिपीट होणारे पॅरेग्राफ्स आहेत, परिच्छेद आहेत, ते कसे लिहावे याची उदाहरणासहित मी स्पष्टीकरण देणार आहे. इथे आपण थांबूया. थँक्स अ लॉट. Stay tuned with me. Kindly subscribe the channel. Bye bye.